So today we have Mr. Amit with us from company Alkon. Hello Amit ji. Welcome to the Drone Expo Conference 2025 and we really welcome you to the Drone Expo. And I wanted to ask you a few questions related to yourself and your company.
Sure.
So can you introduce yourself to our audience and tell us a bit about your company's journey?
Sure. Hi friends, my name is Amit Mane. I work as a General Manager of Marketing India for Alkon Plastics. Regarding Alkon Plastics Pvt Limited is a manufacturing company for the last 43 years and we specialize in organized storage.
Okay. So I think you have a lot of boxes in your stand. I think this is your USP main product.
Sure.
So can you tell our audience about what are the particular things that you're showcasing in this expo?
Sure. See, Alkon is into manufacturing of organizers in different range. We have got the till bins, we have got our FPO bins, we have got stands, trolleys, we have got shelving systems in about 150 combinations, we have got big bins. We actually cater to the organized sector.
Okay. Well, I think you have a lot of variety of products that I can see over here. And yeah, it was really great seeing such good products in Drone Expo.
Thank you.
So now coming on to the exhibition, what do you think about the footfall? Like today is the second day. So how has been your experience in these 2 days?
Well, this is the first time that we are into this expo, but I can tell you that we are more than satisfied. We are more than happy to be a part of this show.
I'm really glad to know that.
Yeah, I mean the last 2 days for us have been really good.
Okay.
And what we have observed is that we have got about 80% of new clientele.
Okay.
Which we were not basically aware about. So all in all, we are very thrilled and we are very happy to be a part.
I think that is the main prospect of having exhibitions in different states of India so that we can cater every market.
Correct.
Yes.
But I think you guys have done a very good job.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. For us it was the first time, and I mean we were kind of skeptical.
Okay.
But today, if you ask me, I think we are lucky enough to be here.
Well, these are really motivating words for us. So now coming to an end, I want to ask you the last question. Like this exhibition we are having, this exhibition is happening in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So the next exhibition we are planning in a much bigger venue in Mumbai.
Okay.
So are you looking to participate there as well?
Well, with this experience, we'll definitely have a think on it. Definitely.
Okay.
Alkon is from Mumbai.
Okay.
We generally take part in other cities.
Okay.
But with this kind of an footfall, we would definitely would like to be a part of it. Definitely.
Well, really glad to hear that. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Pleasure.
And I will definitely meet you again in Mumbai.
Surely.
Thank you.
Thank you.